guys, how are you? Mrs. Kaufman here. Hope you're ready for another great time learning math. Okay, go ahead and answer our quick check problems. How does measurement help you solve problems in everyday life? What will we learn today? Today we're going to find the area of a composite figure and to find the area of overlapping figures. Oi, got a lot of work today. Okay, this is some vocabulary maybe you're not as familiar with. What is a composite figure? Okay, I want you to find the area of the figure at the right. Holy Hannah, look at that sucker. It's crazy shaped. The figure can be separated into a rectangle and a triangle. Ooh, who saw that? You see right there, that can be a little triangle. This reminds me of a game called Tangrams. The area of a rectangle, 6 inches and 10 inches. The length times the width, so 10 times 6, or 60. And the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. Oh my gosh, how do we figure out the base of this triangle when when it doesn't tell us what the base is? Okay, what I want you to do is notice that this is 10 inches and that this is 6 inches. And that ends there. So we know that that's 4 inches, right? Because 6 and 4 makes 10. So I bet a lot of you got that. You had your thinking caps on. Okay, so we know 1/2 the base times the height. The height is 4, the base is 4, so it's 8. Because 4 times 4 is 16, and we want half of that, which is 8. Ah! Kept hitting it, and it was like disappearing. The area is 60 plus 8, or 68 square inches. Find the area of the pool's floor. Ooh, I want to go swimming. Can't wait till summer. Separate the figure into a triangle. Seriously? Mrs. Kaufman learned to read. Into a rectangle and a trapezoid. Okay, so here's our trapezoid bottom. Here's our trapezoid top. Here's the pool. Here's 14 feet. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, the rectangle is 28 by 14. It's 392 because 28 and 14 is 392. So the trapezoid is 1/2 4 plus 6 times 2, right? Because we add the base 1 and we add base 2 and we multiply it, okay? And so we get 10. So the area of the pool's floor is 392 plus 10, or 402 square feet. Okay, find the area of the figure at the right. Oh, right, because they're touching. Oh, so, right? So, oh, that hurts my head. Okay, 12 times 12, or 144. Okay, so we see this is a square, right? 12 times 12, that's 144. And the rectangle is 12 and 15, right? It's 180. Well, we can't just add 144 and 180 together because that repeats that. So we got to figure that out. So the sum of the areas is 324, but we already talked about that can't be like the total answer. The overlapping area is 6 times 7. Wait, what? Where did that come from? How did we figure that out? 6 times 7 Like, seriously? How did we figure that out? Okay, so we see that this is 15 centimeters, and it tells us this part that's outside of it is 8 centimeters. So it means that this part inside is 7 centimeters. Right, because if we went all the way across from here, all the way over to here, it'd be 15. But they already tell us from here to here is 8, right? From here to here is 8. Okay, and from here to all the way down here is 12. But from here to here is 6. So we know from here to here is 6. This part 7 and this part 6, so we get 42. Clear as mud, right? So then we subtract the overlapping area. 324 minus 42 equals 282. So our final answer is the area of the figure is 282 square centimeters. Okay, Charlie and his brother Matthew. Is that the name of the guy in that video? Charlie bit my finger. Have you guys seen that? So funny. Charlie and his brother Matthew are neighbors in an apartment complex where they share a patio. What is the area of both apartments and the patio? Interesting, interesting. Each apartment is 55 by 45, right? 55 by 45, 55 by 45. So each apartment is 2,475 square feet. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's pretty big for an apartment. That's like stinking huge. The sum of the area is 2,475 plus 2,475, or 4,950. But the problem is, they overlap in an area called the patio. Okay? The patio is 23 by 23, or 529. Where did I get that amount? Well, I know from here all the way to here is 55, and I know from here to here is 32. So I subtract 32 from 55 and I get 23. Okay, same thing here. I know from here all the way up to here. Hurting my brain here, folks. Hurting my brain. From here to here is 45 and subtract 22 is 23, right? Which makes that this 23 by 23 or 529. So I take the overlapping area of 529 and I subtract it from 4,950 and I get a final answer of 4,421, of which I state correctly of 4,421 square feet. How did what you learned today help you answer the essential question? How does measurement help you solve problems in everyday life? Take it out the door. Describe how to find the area of a composite figure. So, using your words, describe it. Now, remember what a composite figure is as opposed to an overlapping figure. Just make sure you don't confuse the two. And I hope you have an absolutely lovely afternoon, and we will see you next time.